Netflix reports its second quarter after the close of US trade this evening. Analysts are looking for around 2 cents a share on revenues of $2.1 billion for the quarter, with the current quarter improving a fraction to earnings of 7 cents on revenues of $2.25 billion. In terms of subscribers, and this is quite an important number for Netflix, it's guided an additional 2.5 million for the second quarter, split into a fifth for US users and 2 million from the international operations. Joshua Mahony is with us now with some more analysis of this. And as I said, the background to this, of course, is how many subscribers it has, but also how do you trade this from an IG perspective?
It's quite a simple one, I guess, because of the fact that we have a very clearly defined pattern. You can see this on the weekly time frame, that essentially we now are forming a symmetrical triangle pattern, and we get close to this apex. As we get close to the apex, you expect a breakout in some sort of direction. Now, given the trend that we've seen over a number of years now, you would expect it to be towards the upside. We also have the 100-week SMA providing support alongside that trend line. So you have very clearly defined support on the downside. The current position is that we're right at the top of this triangle, and now ultimately trend lines break all the time. That doesn't mean everything, but what you've got to watch for is the first swing high or swing low to be taken out. So on this occasion, 104.95. If we get a close above there, then that will give me a strong signal that actually this pattern has been completed, and you'd be expecting another move higher. Next big resistance, 112, and the one after that, 133. But ultimately, until we see the break of the first swing high or swing low out of this pattern, I expect the pattern to continue. And that means, as we are at the top end of this triangle, you would expect possibly some sort of weakness coming into the earnings figures.